I just heard the P-15. I don't know if I heard that 115 or not. But obviously I do hear the Thunderbolt. There's another Thunderbolt over that way. One that way. Then a P-10 that way. Then EOWS that way. 115 EOWS. Look at the cute dog. Look at the cute dog. It's cold. It's a 4-5 point ratio. Ooh, and now I hear that 115. Oh, I'm sandwiched in between like 5 sirens. That's pretty cool. My feet are so cold. It's gonna stop soon. About like 2 minutes and 10 seconds for the video. Oh! Damn! It's the first time I've ever heard that P-15 wind down. Sounds nice. It really does. Wow.